Why do 98% of students get dismissed like pros? Let's find out how you can too. Alright, first things first, pack your book bags with your homework. Got your assignment book filled out? Awesome! Now, stay in your seat until your teacher gives you the green light to line up. When it's time, walk to the door and stand in 2 lines using a level 0 voice. Yep, that means no talking. Face forward, keep your hands at your sides, and remember, personal space is key. Keep your hands, feet, and backpack to yourself. Head down the stairs 1 step at a time, using the railing if needed. And always, always walk on the right side. Pay attention to your surroundings and listen carefully for any special directions from your teacher. Got all that? Now you're ready to dismiss like a pro. Stay awesome and see you tomorrow.